time in Koh Tao. It's so good to be back. We're gonna get this bike. Yo, so we are checking in into this resort called Chalok Baan Kao Bay Resort. First impression of the room. Look at the view from here. A little workout session, doing rope jumping before we hit this.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
Yeah.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
This is it, early morning squad. So we are on the way to Mango Bay now. Yo, we are finally here in Mango Bay. Check this out.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile. Smile.
Everyone's ready for the snorkeling session? There we go. Yo, that was awesome.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
This is second day and we came back to Tanote Bay again after a very long day snorkeling and riding bike around Mango Bay.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
Yeah. Welcome back to another awesome day. Today we are leaving very early morning, nearly 5:30 a.m. right now. Oh, apparently there was a baby shark right there. Yeah, that's the one. Baby shark. We're done snorkeling. We are heading back to the resort and then we will book a longtail ferry for Koh Nang Yuan today. Yeah, we'll do some snorkeling and kayaking in Koh Nang Yuan. So everyone's on the longtail board and we are ready for Koh Nang Yuan. Woohoo! So tropical air. Look at this Hawaiian squad. Woo! So lit, man. Yeah. Shake it, baby. Yeah. Oh, what's up? Koh Nang Yuan. Woo! Happy with the view. So we just arrived in Koh Nang Yuan and now first activity we're gonna go hike up that little hill over there. Finally made it up to the viewpoint here. Took about 10 minutes walk up here. Oh, getting some really nice Instagram photos from this spot. Yeah, basically just chilling up here. The view is breathtaking. So the view gets better and better as you go up, and apparently this view is breathtaking. This place is surreal. Hikaru being a helping hand to a lot of people. Alright, done hiking up the viewpoint. Now we are heading to snorkeling side. Koh Tao again. After a quick lunch, we're gonna go back to Johnson viewpoint. It's gonna be late. Alright, so we are hiking up to Don Sawan viewpoint to take around 15 minutes. Look at this view. Super excited, so stoked to come up here. We are finally on top of Don Sawan viewpoint. Check this out. So we just want to make the most out of it. We're gonna take a ferry from 2:45. So yeah, we got a few hours before that. We are about to leave for Bangkok. We are getting a ferry for Shumpon. See you later, Koh Tao. And this is our ride. Yeah, so as you can see, we just arrived in Bangkok, and this is pretty much the end of the trip. Oh my god, can't believe this was an amazing one whole week of traveling Koh Phangan and Koh Tao. It was absolutely amazing. So yeah, pretty much it. I hope you guys like the vlog, comment and hit that subscribe button. So until next time, peace out.